I've been coming to SST Auto for over 15 years. I started bringing my Volkswagen here back when my husband started bringing his Porsche here, and I figured if they have the expertise and skills to maintain a car like that, they should surely be able to have my Volkswagen running smoothly. Over the years, I upgraded, and now I bring my Audi RS3 here, and for me, it's all about trust. The value that I get from bringing my car to SST is just can't be beat. There have been numerous times when I brought my car in for regular maintenance service, such as an oil change, tire swaps. One time they detected something that was going to turn into a major issue had they not flagged it early enough. It was a strange noise coming from the engine that was imperceptible to me, but it saved me thousands of dollars down the road because they were able to identify it, resolve it, and I have total trust and peace of mind because of it.
Looking for an independent service center you can trust for your European car or SUV? SST Auto is Fairfield County's dealership alternative. Our staff of factory-trained, award-winning technicians can service all Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, and Volkswagen vehicles.